Hi everyone, this is Akansha and welcome my YouTube channel. This is 9th class of our English learning series. In today's class we are going to use of there and here. I have included two use of here and there, one for location and one for existence. So let's start the class. First we will learn about location and second we will learn about existence. Here and there. Here means यहाँ और there means वहाँ. Here का यूज पास के लिए किया जाता है और there का यूज दूर के लिए. Here means this place, there means that place. It means जो चीज आपको दिख रही है, जो चीज आपके पास विजिबल है, उसके लिए यूज किया जाएगा there, और जो आपसे दूर है, जो आपके आंखों के सामने नहीं है, विजिबल नहीं है, उसके लिए there यूज किया जाएगा. Let's take some example like my book is here. My book is here and my book is there. Look at first example. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आओ. My school is there. मेरा स्कूल वहाँ है. Let's start the practice. 100 sentences together. When I speak, repeat after me. This practice like shadowing practice. So first sentence is मेरा घर वहाँ है. My house is there. My house is there. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. बैग वहाँ रखो. Put the bag there. Put the bag there. मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ. I live here. I live here. वह वहाँ काम करती है. She works there. She works there. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. वह वहाँ खड़ा है. He is standing there. He is standing there. हम यहाँ पढ़ते हैं. We study here. We study here. Next sentence. बाजार वहाँ है. The market is there. The market is there. यहाँ मेरा इंतजार करो. Wait here for me. Wait here for me. वे कल वहाँ खेले. They played there yesterday. They played there yesterday. कुर्सी यहाँ लाओ. Bring the chair here. Bring the chair here. मेरा स्कूल वहाँ है. My school is there. My school is there. आज रात यहाँ रुको. Stay here tonight. Stay here tonight. उसने चाबियां वहां रखी. He kept the keys there. He kept the keys there. मंदिर उस तरफ वहां है. The temple is over there. The temple is over there. पांच बजे यहां मुझसे मिलो. Meet me here at 5. We use these type sentences in our daily life, so you can practice with me. Meet me here at 5. उसने अपना बैग वहां छोड़ दिया. She left her bag there. She left her bag there. स्टेशन यहां से दूर नहीं है. The station isn't far from here. The station isn't far from here. मैं जल्द ही वहां पहुंचूंगा. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. Now let's start with negative sentences. मैं अभी वहां नहीं हूं. I'm not there right now. I'm not there right now. वह यहाँ नहीं रहती. She doesn't live here. She doesn't live here. वह कल वहां नहीं था. She wasn't there yesterday. She wasn't there yesterday. अब हम अब यहाँ नहीं पढ़ते. We don't study here anymore. We don't study here anymore. वे वहां नहीं रुकेंगे. They won't stay there. They won't stay there. इसे वहां मत रखो. Don't put it there. Don't put it there. वह आज यहाँ नहीं आ रही है. She isn't coming here today. She isn't coming here today. वह वहां नहीं गया. She didn't go there. She didn't go there. बस यहाँ नहीं रुकती. The bus doesn't stop here. The bus doesn't stop here. मैं कभी वहां नहीं गया. I have never been there. I have never been there. हम आज यहाँ नहीं मिल रहे हैं. We aren't meeting here today. We aren't meeting here today. वह यहाँ इंतजार नहीं करेगी. She won't wait here. She won't wait here. दुकान अब वहाँ नहीं है. The shop isn't there anymore. The shop isn't there anymore. वह वहाँ नहीं बैठा है. He isn't sitting there. He isn't sitting there. वे वहाँ नहीं खेले. They didn't play there. They didn't play there. Now let's turn to interrogative sentences. क्या तुम्हारा घर वहाँ है? Is your house there? Is your house there? क्या तुम यहाँ रहते हो? Do you live here? Do you live here? क्या वह वहाँ काम कर रही है? Is she working there? Is she working there? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? क्या वह कल वहाँ था? Was he there yesterday? Was he there yesterday? क्या तुम कल यहाँ होगे? Will you be here tomorrow? Will you be here tomorrow? क्या बाजार वहाँ है? Is the market there? Is the market there? क्या वे वहाँ गए? Did they go there? Did they go there? क्या स्कूल यहाँ के पास है? Is the school near here? Don't think this sentence is incorrect. This sentence is correct. Okay. Is the school near here? क्या तुम पहले वहाँ गए हो? Have you been there before? Have you been there before? क्या तुम यहाँ इंतजार कर सकते हो? Can you wait here? Can you wait here? क्या वह वहाँ खड़ा है? Is he standing there? Is he standing there? क्या बस यहाँ रुकती है? Does the bus stop here? Does the bus stop here? क्या वह आज यहाँ आएगी? Will she come here today? Will she come here today? क्या मंदिर उस तरफ है? Is the temple over there? Is the temple over there? Now let's turn to our next grammar rule. We will learn about the use of there for existence. There का use existence के लिए पढ़ेंगे अब हम. Existence means किसी का होना, किसी चीज का एग्जिस्ट होना यानी अस्तित्व होना. So there is and there are is used with singular noun. Okay, are used with plural noun. There is used for singular noun, only for one thing. There are used for many things. Here are some examples. There is a book on the table. मेज पर एक किताब है. कहाँ है किताब? मेज पर एक किताब है. There are two books on the table. मेज पर दो किताबें हैं. सिंगुलर के लिए यूज किया there is और दो किताबों के लिए यूज किया there are. I think you understood these rules. So let's start with the sentence. मेज पर एक किताब है. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. मेज पर दो किताबें हैं. There are two books on the table. There are two books on the table. बगीचे में एक बिल्ली है. There is a cat in the garden. There is a cat in the garden. कक्षा में बहुत छात्र हैं. There are many students in the class. There are many students in the class. मेरे घर के पास एक बैंक है. There is a bank near my house. There is a bank near my house. कमरे में 5 कुर्सियां हैं. There are 5 chairs in the room. There are 5 chairs in the room. आंगन में एक आम का पेड़ है. There is a mango tree in the yard. There is a mango tree in the yard. इस बाजार में बहुत दुकानें हैं. There are many shops in this market. There are many shops in this market. Next sentence. हमारे गांव के पास एक नदी है. There is a river near our blaze. There is a river near our blaze. इस कमरे में 3 खिड़कियां हैं. There are 3 windows in this room. There are 3 windows in this room. इस शहर में एक अस्पताल है. There is a hospital in the city. There is a hospital in the city. बगीचे में बहुत फूल हैं. There are many flowers in the garden. There are many flowers in the garden. मेरे बैग में एक कलम है. There is a pen in my bag. There is a pen in my bag. एक साल में 4 मौसम होते हैं. There are 4 seasons in a year. There are 4 seasons in a year. पहाड़ी पर एक मंदिर है. There is a temple on the hill. There is a temple on the hill. पेड़ पर बहुत पक्षी हैं. There are many birds in the tree. There are many birds in the trees. पार्क में एक बड़ी झील है. There is a big lake in the park. There is a big lake in the park. स्टेशन पर बहुत लोग हैं. There are many people at the station. There are many people at the station. सबके लिए पर्याप्त खाना है. There is enough food for everyone. There is enough food for everyone. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's start with negative sentences. फ्रिज में दूध नहीं है. There isn't any milk in the fridge. There isn't any milk in the fridge. यहाँ पर्याप्त कुर्सियाँ नहीं हैं. There aren't enough chairs here. There aren't enough chairs here. इस गांव में कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है. There isn't a doctor in this place. There isn't a doctor in this place. कोई आम नहीं बचा है. There aren't any mangoes left. There aren't any mangoes left? ज़्यादा समय नहीं बचा है. There isn't much time left. There isn't much time left. आज ज़्यादा छात्र नहीं हैं. There aren't many students today. There aren't many students today. इसमें एक भी गलती नहीं है. There isn't a single mistake in this. There isn't a single mistake in this. 9 बजे के बाद कोई बस नहीं है. There aren't any buses after 9. There aren't any buses after 9. पास में कोई अच्छा स्कूल नहीं है. There isn't a good school nearby. There isn't a good school nearby. You can see these sentences. इन सेंटेंस में कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, तो हम इसको देयर से बना रहे हैं. होटल में पर्याप्त कमरे नहीं हैं. There aren't enough room in the hotel. There aren't enough rooms in the hotel. जार में चीनी नहीं है. There isn't any sugar in the jar. There isn't any sugar in the jar. ज़्यादा विकल्प नहीं बचे हैं. There aren't many options left. There aren't many options left. Next sentence is हमारे घर के पास कोई पार्क नहीं है. There isn't a park near our house. There isn't a park near our house. कोई टिकट उपलब्ध नहीं है. There aren't any ticket available. There aren't any tickets available. यहाँ कोई शोर नहीं है. There isn't any noise here. There isn't any noise here. क्या यहाँ पास में कोई बैंक है? Let's turn to interrogative sentence. Okay. क्या यहाँ पास में कोई बैंक है? Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? क्या टोकरी में कोई आम है? Are there any mangoes in the basket? Are there any mangoes in the basket? क्या घर में कोई डॉक्टर है? Is there a doctor in the house? Is there a doctor in the house? क्या सबके लिए पर्याप्त कुर्सियां हैं? Are there enough chairs for everyone? Are there enough chairs for everyone? क्या कोई पानी बचा है? Is there any water left? Is there any water left? क्या पार्टी में बहुत लोग हैं? Are there many people at the party? Are there many people at the party? क्या पास में कोई अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है? Is there a good restaurant nearby? Is there a good restaurant nearby? क्या इस योजना में कोई समस्या है? Are there any problems with this plan? Are there any problems with this plan? क्या आज दिल्ली के लिए कोई ट्रेन है? Is there a train to Delhi today? Is there a train to Delhi today? क्या पुस्तकालय में बहुत किताबें हैं? Are there many books in the library? Are there many books in the library? क्या चाय में कोई चीनी है? Is there any sugar in the tea? Is there any sugar in the tea? क्या इस कमरे में खिड़कियां हैं? Are there windows in this room? Are there windows in this room? क्या तुम्हारे घर के पास कोई पार्क है? Is there a park near your house? Is there a park near your house? क्या कोई सीटें उपलब्ध हैं? Are there any seats available? Are there any seats available? क्या इस शहर में कोई अस्पताल है? Is there a hospital in this town? Is there a hospital in this town? If you think this video is helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe. Write 2 sentences in the comment section.